And coming to church is not something that you write everywhere, that I have now joined GRIM. It's not something that is announced on all the billboards. I don't know why you want to announce your departure on the billboards. You came quietly. You can also go quietly.
Another episode called 3 Minutes where we're just posting sermons only for 3 minutes. My name is Godke. Kanochonora by Facebook, please do follow. Kanochonora by YouTube, please do subscribe. Nasinda video ra apostle Chiwenga Handiparidze Zvamunoda part 3. Check this out.
I will never allow you to hold me to ransom because you think you can have the power to determine what we do, and when you are not happy with what we preach, then we must kneel down before you to beg you. That will never happen. Those who want to leave because of what I've said right now, fambai zvakanaka, Mwari akubatsirei. Kana mapfungwa dzenyu dzehunhu dzadzoka, kupengereka uku kwapera, mukada kudzoka, tinenge takakumirirai zvakare. All the people that we expelled from our church, we wrote in those letters, if we wrote letters, that if they want to come back, we will rehabilitate them. They have to change their character and their attitude. We don't have enemies because we are the house of God. And coming to church is not something that you write everywhere, that I have now joined GRIM. It's not something that is announced on all the billboards. I don't know why you want to announce your departure on the billboards. You came quietly. You can also go quietly. And we don't have a problem with that. The church is like a hospital. Those who are now fine will be discharged. New patients will be admitted. We don't have hard feelings with you. But don't pretend that what we preached is unbiblical or it is wrong. Because it is not. And because they don't come to discuss these things with us, this is why you see that it's evidence also that they can't criticize it from scriptural perspective. If you have a strong argument, why are you running?
Why are you running? Why are you running?
If Pastor Baloy has a problem with our message, instead of calling me and say, Apostle, can we meet? I'm not satisfied with what you preached. He goes to Facebook. He says, I'm not satisfied with what that man preached. I can't come to Facebook to answer to you because I'm not a compound person like you. I wasn't raised in a compound like you. And so when we don't respond to what you say on social media, do not think that we have something to hide or we are scared of you.